summers are approaching, we are always looking for recipes that are cooling. And of course, raw mango are in season. So today, I'm going to show you my version of Kanji Vada with raw mango. So first, I'm going to start with making the kanji. 1 cup of raw mango that I've peeled and chopped. 1 green chilli. 1 small piece of ginger. 1½ cups of mint leaves. Half a cup of coriander leaves. Grind all these ingredients into a smooth paste. The paste is ready and now I'm going to add in all the spices. Half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon hing, just a pinch of pepper powder. I have here split yellow mustard seeds. They are also called Raika Kuria. I'm going to take 1½ teaspoons and slightly pound it. Let's add it in. Add in salt to taste. Add in 4 cups of cold water. Give it a good mix. I'm going to refrigerate this. And now let's start making the vada, for which I have here 1 cup of white lentils or urad dal. Soaked it in water for about 6 to 7 hours and drained out all the water. And now I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste. If required, we'll just add in a couple of tablespoons of water in case the dal is not grinding. The batter is ready and now I'm going to whisk this for at least 2 minutes. You can take a whisk or even a spoon and make sure you rotate it in one direction. The batter is nicely whisked and now I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of black salt, 1 onion finely chopped. This is optional. If you want, you can add it in. Add in salt to taste and half a teaspoon of ginger chili paste. Whisk all these ingredients together. The batter is ready and it's time to deep fry the vadas. So I have a pan of hot oil ready here. I've taken a spoon, dip it in water and now scoop some batter in it and add it into the oil. To ensure that the batter doesn't stick to the spoon, dip the spoon in water every time before you scoop the batter. Keep flipping the vadas and fry on low-medium heat till golden brown. Remove the vadas from the oil and soak in normal water for around 10 minutes. You know that the vadas are nicely soaked when they change color. They've become lighter in color. Remove them and squeeze out the water and dip them in the kanji. Soak the vadas in the kanji for at least a good half an hour. Make sure you refrigerate them and serve them chilled. Now for garnish, I'm going to top it up with some shredded onions, some red chili powder and some cumin powder. Our chilled raw mango kanji vadas are ready. This makes a very good option for a summertime snack. Do give this recipe a try, comment below and subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.